Now watch this. What? See, do you know that? Do you know that you can park your car and immediately you come back to drive that car out and the car will refuse to start?
Now, do you also know that the cause of that car problem is not your battery?
Do you also know that Bobrisky is still in prison?
Now, do you also know that very dark man have joined him? Sorry, she. Sorry, he.
God
she.
have mercy.
Do you know that the cause of that problem is not battery, just like you emphasized? But right now, I need these belts. I want you to change the serpentine belts.
Now, do you know that you can't drag us?
Because I will side aboard you.
Okay.
Number one on the list is the alternator. Now, the alternator recharges the battery in your car and keeps the electrical system running.
Okay.
Now, if the alternator is bad, the battery will not be charging. That means if you off that car and move out, by the time you are back, the battery is not charged. It won't start. Now, let's start this service now with the next on the line.
I will start by saying that a clogged air filter is the number 2 reason why your car may not start. But first of all, filter this video. Filter it. Take away the information that are not important to you and work with the ones that are important, which is when your air filter. When your air filter is clogged, what happens is that your car's engine does not receive the adequate fuel that it needs to function. And what happens is that when your car's engine is not being fed with the right properties, it can start. And when it starts, it now stops.
Okay.
Now, talking about starting, you need to start paying attention to that your vehicle unless you want that car to rest in peace.
And that's what we call peaceful exit. Man of God, take your Bible. You forgot it in my bosom.
In peace.
No, it was not peaceful. Now, the fuel pump relies on an unobstructed filter. That is a filter that is naked, so that you can take fuel from the pump and deliver it to the engine.
So Eugene, I know it's in your gene to be careless, but you need to be careful because this thing can inconvenience you and keep you stranded.
Even if you wear jeans. Papa, should I take it off?
Don't take it off. I know it's in your gene to take it off, Gene.
God have mercy upon us.
Now this can be small but mighty. Now most of you have not changed the spark plug in that your Tokumbo.
Or Nigerian use.
That is why the spark plug is worn out and it cannot produce enough spark to start that vehicle.
Or some of you, your spark plug is wet due to a flooded engine. And what happens is that the spark plug cannot provide adequate spark that can start up this your car on demand. So my advice to you as a big sister, always keep it dry.
Just as Moses divided the Red Sea and made a dry land for the Israelites to pass.
Papa, a dry land does not work in 2024. Abi, una wan trek go house.
Now talking about trekking, you still need a dry land to trek.
But Peter walked on water.
You are not a fish.
I am a fish.
Make
Make sure you adhere to the points in this video before you start pointing fingers at people.
Now all fingers are not equal, so you still need to point. Now point out the part that you know that we didn't mention in this video.
Okay.
That
it
cannot.
likely affects
What's the problem now? What's the issue?
is the dry land.